So as you can see, we made it to Los Angeles. And that's the end of our cruise. Let me just tell you the good, the bad, and the ugly. The good is, it's a fantastic time here. All the things you can see, the shows, the kind people, from the guests to the crew. It was a wonderful time. Wonderful time. Now the bad. The constant upselling. Every time you turn around, someone's trying to upsell you on something else. And now here comes the ugly. This medallion thing, great. Streamlines a lot of stuff. But I had a bunch of additional charges put on my account that I did not do. Almost, I'd say about $70 worth of additional charges I did not buy. I got charged for some drinks. I even got charged for a red velvet cake. I think I've ever remembered eating a red velvet cake. So here's the thing. I found out if you get home and you figure out these charges, you're stuck with them. So my tip to you is to check your bill every day, especially on just before you leave. And if you see any additional charges on there, get rid of them from guest services right away, or else you will be stuck paying for stuff you did not eat, like a red velvet cake. But guess what, guys? We are here in Los Angeles, and Princess Cruises was great. Enjoyed it, every bit of it. Soon, there'll be maybe some new Disney stuff coming up. Stay tuned for that. What? Thank you, Princess Cruises, for allowing us to come out here. See you soon.